Hey guys, it's Joe with Vive Health, and I'm here today to show you how to use the button hook, by Vive, okay? You're gonna wanna use this end for the button, and the first step is obviously putting this through the hole for the button. Okay, and that's the easy part. And then you're gonna wanna catch that button with the larger portion of this hook, okay? Then slide it to the skinnier portion. And then pull the button through, boom, that's the trick. That's where the magic happens. And then you're gonna slide it out and you're done. And now we're gonna look at the second part of this button hook. On the bottom, we have a hook, and that's to zipper up your jackets. If you have any type of dexterity issues and getting that zipper is difficult. I got a little bit of clashing styles, but it should be okay just to show you guys how to use it. What you're gonna do is use that hook. It's pretty simple. Get a hold of that zipper, make sure the zipper's already connected there, and just pull it up. Then you're good to go with your jacket.